Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to Easy Drawing Guides. Today, we're going to learn how to draw a cartoon face step by step. We're going to start with an eye. Draw a short curving line and an oval above it. Inside this, we'll draw another oval for the eye pupil and shade it with black. We complete the eye with an oval reflection. Next, we're going to repeat the previous step for the other eye. Remember, the curved line at the bottom of the oval should face the other way, like a mirror image. Now, let's add some personality to our cartoon face. Sketch curves above the eyes for the eyebrows. For the nose, draw a curved vertical line followed by a round shape. And for the happy mouth, let's draw a curved line ending with dashes. Moving on, draw a loop underneath the mouth with small triangles at the sides. Outline the face with a long loop, like a curved V. Add a short curve for the chin. Next, let's draw a circle for the right ear. Add a couple of curves to complete the ear shape. Draw the other ear. Now, complete the face shape on both sides. And start drawing outlines of the hair on the right side. And left. Next, sketch a swooping line on the top of the head, like a wave. To complete the hair, draw a squiggly line on top of the character's head. We're almost done. Finally, sketch a few wavy lines to give the hair some texture. And there you have it. Our cartoon face is complete. I hope you enjoyed drawing this cartoon face. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep drawing and have fun with it. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy drawing tutorials. Until next time.